everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I hope you're having a great weekend. I've been kind of not able to paint, so it's nice that I can. I've got a new table and it's a little bit difficult to get set up. I'm going to move it just a bit. Okay, so it's a little bit odd of a view, but you can see here I'm working on a 15. No, this is a 12 by 24. I'm sorry. I wanted to use this because I am really hoping that I can make something that will go in my black frames. I bought some 15 by 30 black frames, 12 by 24 and 10 by 20s, because I just love doing these. So what I'm going to do, get my paper towels ready, and I have a fun color palette. I have never done all orange, so this is going to be, I think, a lot of fun. Two of my paints are Magic Fly. This is a fluorescent light apricot, and these are just craft paints that I got on Amazon. Real beautiful. I can show you the consistency. So it's about it's pretty thick. They've been sitting, I mixed these earlier. I think they'll be okay. Beautiful. And then the second Magic Fly is orange yellow. And this kind of has an iridescent to it. Honestly, I bought this in like a pack of 24 and I've loved all the colors. The next one is going to be Creative Inspirations Vermilion. Real bright orange. And they are mixed 2.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Then I start adding water. And if it doesn't feel like there's, it's a feel for me now, believe it or not. If it just doesn't feel like there's any consistency to the paint at all, I'll add a little touch of Floetrol. This one is, look at that. I love this color. It is actually two Blick. It is Blick fluorescent orange and fluorescent yellow orange. Sorry, I think Amazon just arrived and my pups are outside barking. The next one is going to be, okay, the next one we have is Artist Loft Metallic Orange. I'm going to swipe, I believe, with white and do the flowers with black, hoping that I can have a contrast that'll look good in a black frame. So I'm going to lay down, I think I'm going to do this in kind of like this today. And I actually just started doing some neat different flowers. I probably will do typical one, maybe not. You never know with these. But I've been having fun with different style flowers, and I just am in love with these flower pops. And I know I keep saying thank you to everybody that keeps supporting me and purchasing them. I can't even believe it. I'm so humbled. The fact that the shows, I've had a lot of people at my art shows that are purchasing them. And for a while, I just was like, oh, must be people don't want to buy flowers, or because they really weren't a big hit. This year, well, actually the last 6 months, oh my gosh, it's been amazing. So I thank you. I'm very, very happy, humbled, and oh my gosh, I just can't even tell you how much I love doing them. I don't know about that vermilion. What do you think about that color? You think it'll be okay? I hope. All right, we didn't get any of this, so we're going to put a little of that. A lot of paint. I'm going to waste a lot here. I'm just warning everybody. All right, no worries. Let's kind of tip it out as much as we can. I don't know if I really want to mix it all the way today or not. Decisions. Let's see, I have this little weird little thing. Maybe I'll just be able to move it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Kind of move it to the edge. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I think the flowers will be pretty. I love those fluorescent paints. I'm just kind of getting it to the edge so that when I tip it, there we go. When I tip it, it'll be easy to tip. It'll be even when I tip it. Okay, so let's blow some of these some bubbles. I'm in love with that color. So we're gonna give it some pizzazz. There we go. Get back. Get these corners good. So we're going to swipe with white, and I am actually going to pour a swipe line here. I'm gonna push it out. There we go. Push it out. Okay. I want a lot of white. So here we go. Beautiful colors. All right. Now this is kind of bowed, so I'm gonna have to hold it very taut when I do this. I'm gonna set it in. Unfortunately, I didn't only had this so far so good. Well, now that's perfect. I'm loving it. Okay, that looks good. That's a great swipe. All right, now, I don't know how many cells we're gonna get. Now my white today was Artist Loft, just the regular white, and oh my God, Modern Masters, look what I did. Shame on me. I know better. I know better. That's okay. We got it. There we go. We will be blowing a flower over that, so I'm sure that'll be fine. All right, perfect. I love these colors. All right, let's go ahead, and I have got my black mixed up. And again, I'm doing black because I want to do black frame. Gosh, I can't talk today. All right, let's start with doing puffy. Let's hope there's some orange under there. I love it. Gorgeous. Very pretty. All right, let's go here and here. Nice. Okay. We're gonna do different. We have to, because this is gorgeous. I am gonna have to fix that. So. Okay. Here. You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna dip this cap if I don't put it down. There we go. I'm going to keep a little black on here. I think yeah. Yep. Now, I'm going to put one in the center of that. I know it looks odd, but it won't. Give me a minute. Here we go. Okay. Just something different. I think we probably are going to have to create the we're going to have to create the stem now. All right. Let's see if I'll go here. Let's see if I go here. How do I want to do this? Here. Could do a flower like this and then one here. Let's do something different. Let's try it. Ready? Here we go. All right. I'm gonna go here. That's good. Okay with that. Okay. Then we're gonna do one here. Okay. Okay, that's good. And I got, like I said, I got to use that, so I got to figure out where that's going to go. I'm going to go down. Yeah. Let's do the flowers first. You ready? Here and here. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Nice. Okay, we're gonna do one here and here. This one, we're going to do a little different here and here. Okay. this one here and here. Let's do our stem. I'll do flower here. Yeah, just and it's okay if it overlaps because it's now if I go this way, so if I go out and in, if I go, I gotta go out. I want this to be, okay, I'm gonna go this way. There we go. Not as thick of a line, but it looks like it's spreading. So that'll be okay. If I have to do it again, I will. I think I will actually. Okay. Beautiful. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so now's the fun part, adding the stems, blowing the flowers out a little more, making distinction in those petals. I cannot tell you how much I love this painting. It's hanging in my hall in a black frame. I have not tried to even sell this one yet. It's just so bright, so cheery, and orange. Who would have knew? Those cells are gorgeous. I don't even know what to name it. Here we go. We're going down for a close-up. Look at these petals. Look how beautiful. The cells are just perfect. I could not have asked for a better outcome of this painting. It's just, again, one of my favorites. It is for sale. You can reach out to me at LoriHouston56@gmail.com if you're interested. I am going to place this in my next show, which is coming up this weekend, and I'm sure that it will sell quick. Okay, everyone, here are the dried results. Take care. Till next time.